Hello and welcome to Nature Day's Outdoor Learning Resources, sponsored by the Gower Society. Now it's Children's Mental Health Week this week, so my challenge for you today is to follow the theme of express yourself that's in the Mental Health Week this week. And I want you to try and find your blissful place in nature. So try to think about where you are most happy, where it makes you feel relaxed and calm. And I want you to create a blissful moment. So if you can use your camera or your phone, you could video that, or you could just take some time out in that location in nature and actually have a blissful moment on your own. So that means just exploring what is going on around you and just trying to work out what it is that is actually making you calm. Is it the sounds of silence? Is it the sounds of birds singing? Is it the sound of wind in the trees? Or is it the sound of the waves on the shore? And if you want to, you could create a video. So try and pick all those aspects that keep you calm and also help you to relax and make you mentally strong to be able to cope with issues. And try and build up a picture of what it is that is making you calm. And if you can put that into a film, you're going to create yourself a little blissful moment that you can share. So here's my little blissful moment from my favourite location with my favourite sounds and things that really de-stress me. There. Now I hope you enjoyed my blissful moment. If you've taken any photos or if you've made your blissful film, I'd love to see it. So please do share on the Facebook page or on Twitter, #NatureDays. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our next outdoor challenge.